Take a look at the lock on your front door next time you walk in. See this little rectangle? This one has a secret. Let me tell you about it. Welcome to Tomahawk DIY. I'm Mike. Let's take a look at these locks and learn about this secret. This kind of lock is great if you need to change the key quickly or easily, like for rental houses, maybe you just bought a new home and you want to change it, or any other reason you might need to rekey a lock. Take a look at these two keys. Notice the yellow key is different from the blue key on the cuts. So the yellow key works in the lock. Notice it won't turn right now. Here's the blue one. Works just great. It all comes down to this magic tool and this little hole. First, we're going to put our working key in and turn it 90 degrees, like that. Then, get this SmartKey tool. This is from Kwikset. Push it in. Now you can pull your key out. Now, when we put the new key in, turn it the other way, pull it out. Now this yellow key works. See that? And the blue key doesn't work anymore. That's amazingly quick to change the keys on a lock using this SmartKey tool and this little secret rectangle and these keys. I appreciate it if you smash that car. Now, I need your help on an experiment. Let's see how many people didn't know about this trick with the lock. If you didn't know about it, smash the like button and hit subscribe, and let's see how many people learned something today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.